Hello and welcome to the Beerman Fan TV after San Miguel have been hammered by Ginebra by 11 points, 92-81 in their final preseason game before the PBA opening day on Sunday. Now, Ryan Aranya has made his another performance night. However, they fell short in the end because of Greg Slaughter's dominates the game and also Japet Aguilar's slam dunk. So, what a disappointment loss in the final preseason game. So, but don't worry, it's just a friendly. I'm telling you that. Friendly nga, kaya lang talo pa nung huli. Kasi mahina pa yung performance niya at ang saya lang si Marshall Lassiter ay injury na naman ulit pagkatapos ng pangalawang laro against Star, habang si Junmar ay nakaupo sa stands kaya hindi siya naglaro. Pero anyway, pasok naman siya sa Gilas sa Olympic qualifier. And balik tayo sa game. Yung tactics ng San Miguel Beermen ay pinakawalan ulit, kaya nawalan sila ng control dahil hindi mahanap yung pinagpapasahan. At si Heruela ay not a bad performance, but he makes his positive way to score the points. So, dismaya. So, imposible yung mangyari yun. Kaya, mahihirapan sila sa October 24 game sa opening against Global Force. Anyway, my player of the game, kahit matalo ka sila, si Ryan Aranya. Naka-score naman siya. Single lang, pero perfect pa rin siya hanggang ngayon kahit pangatlong appearance niya as a San Miguel Beermen squad. Anyway, tell us in comment section below. Like mo lang sa Instagram by following us at the Beerman Fan TV. Follow din sa Twitter at the Beerman Fan TV and like us on Facebook and subscribe to the Beerman Fan TV. Kailangan ng feedback, email mo lang sa thebeermanfantv@gmail.com. Anyway, salamat sa pagtutok sa The Beerman Fan TV. I'm Andrea Agro and I'll see you all. Bye.